welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Mandy. I'm a feminine embodiment coach, a yoga instructor, as well as an intuitive card reader, and I'm so excited for today's anti-aging face yoga video. It's going to be a combination of my Gua Sha daily routine as well as some beautiful natural face yoga exercises that are going to give you a nice facelift. Now, before I get into today's video, I do want to give a little shout out of thanks to today's video sponsor, which is the lovely Face Yoga app. Now, these guys are amazing, and I found them when I was searching for a face yoga app because I wanted to learn more exercises that I could do to naturally and gracefully age. Now, this app is amazing. As you can see here, you can scroll up, you can type in what your preferred concerns are, whether it's acne, anti-aging, firming and toning, discoloration, whatever the case may be. They'll give you a total program that's custom to your face and your needs. They'll give you a skincare routine, suggested skincare. You can even upload a picture of yourself and they will customize your entire experience. You can also have a diet plan given to you, as well as loads of other information on natural beauty and a healthy lifestyle. If you guys want to take advantage of the lovely Face Yoga app, I will put a discount for 50% off their subscriptions in the video description below. And without further ado, let's get into today's Face Yoga video. So before I begin, the one thing that you might want to have on hand is a gua sha. I do suggest going with a metal gua sha simply because if you go, as much as I do love all the stones, and I know there are a lot out there, but if you go with something that is made from a stone, it's going to be porous, and that could lead to bacteria, that could lead to bacteria going on the skin, and you could get breakouts and things like that. So I always suggest going with a metal one. I'll put in the video description below my favorite brand that I prefer to use as a gua sha. The other thing you might want to have on hand for this video is you can always use skin oil or even essential oils, which are really nice. I like frankincense in particular, or even lavender if you're doing this at night. I know it's a little demure on set today, so you might want to have some lavender on hand in the morning. Anything kind of lemony, peppermint, that's very invigorating, might work nicely as well. So our first move, we're going to start by going actually up, or we're just going to work our way. Now, if you don't have the gua sha on hand, that's totally okay. You can always just use your fingers to move up. We're just gonna stretch out the neck a little bit here to warm ourselves up. Beautiful, guys. I thought it'd be nice to have a little bit more of mood lighting tonight. It's October. We're getting into sort of Halloween season, so I thought it'd be nice to kind of have a little bit more of an intimate setting. Beautiful. So either way, you can start by going up. Beautiful. And now we're going to do the opposite. We're going to move down. Amazing work, guys. Just really relax into it. Let yourself enjoy the experience. Feels so good. Making time for yourself. Beautiful work, guys. All right, my favorite next move with the gua sha is just using it from the center of your chin, and you're gonna move up, and then you're gonna move all the way down to your lymph node. This side, let's move up, then you're gonna move it down to the lymph node. You don't ever wanna do this without oil or something on your face because you will end up stretching the skin and not in a very nice way. We wanna be kind and gentle to the skin on our face. It definitely deserves that. Let's go up again. And then you want to bring it down. Feels so nice. All right, let's bring that down and let's do it one more time on each side. So up and down. Beautiful job, guys. Up and down. Nice work. And we're going to put the gua sha aside for a moment. We're going to make a triangle with our hands, and we're just going to start to stretch the skin ever so slightly up, just like a facelift, basically, and bring it down. Let's do it again a couple of times. Bring it up and down. Amazing job, guys. Bring it across, down, and we're gonna do one more. Breathe in, stretch your skin a little bit, and down. Nice job, guys. Next, we're gonna go with a really nice invigorating forehead massage. You're gonna double your fingers, and you're just gonna work your way up. Bring it up to the top of your head, to the hairline. Start at your brow bone. This is really great. You can move your fingers around. So we're moving like this in little stitching motions to really bring some nice blood circulation to the skin. This is going to also naturally produce collagen. You can go in the little 11 lines that some people have. And this is going to start to decrease any lines or wrinkles, anything like that you might have developed. Beautiful job, guys. Just keep doing. You can do single or double fingers, whatever works for you. You can just work your way across. If you'd like to, you can always do this a little longer or do the workout a couple more times. Beautiful job, guys. Let's just do one more round. Beautiful work. Amazing. And for our second last exercise, we're going to do one of my other favorite face kind of forehead ones, which is just taking 3 fingers. You're just going to lightly put some pressure on and then bring it down. Again, let's work our way across. So now we're moving sideways. Just stretch your skin a little bit and then bring that down. This is really going to help to drain any puffiness, any stagnant fluid in the forehead, and bring that down. Beautiful. Let's do one more together. Breathe in and down. You can breathe that out. All right, for our last move, we're actually going to use our fingers to massage our scalp. A lot of people don't realize that a lot of lines and puffiness in the skin, in the face, is due to not enough circulation going on in the scalp. So it's really good to actually kind of draw the scalp back, really give it a nice deep massage here, make it feel good. That's beautiful, guys. Let's do this for another couple of seconds. Keep breathing. Sending love to your face and your body. Sending gratitude to yourself for making time for yourself today. Beautiful. Let's bring it down. Give yourself a beautiful hug. Namaste. All right, my loves, if you'd like to connect with me on social media for all sorts of feminine embodiment, spirituality, etc., I'm at Mandy J. Ross. I love connecting with y'all outside of the YouTube space, and I hope that y'all are glowing and snatched after today's Gua Sha / anti-aging natural facelift. I love that for you. As always, my loves, if you want to join me on the lovely face yoga app and get your face in tip-top natural shape like I have, then you can join for 50% off subscriptions. I'll put that in the video description below, as well as my coaching. I will put a link for all my coaching in the video description below, or readings. And as always, I'm wishing y'all a blessed and beautiful day out there.